Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. So today my mom and I have some little bit of footage I'm put before this. We went to Wegmans. This is the very first time I've been to Wegmans. We only have 2 in our area, and I heard a lot of people talk about how great Wegmans is. We were so overwhelmed when we went in there. I know a lot of Instacart shoppers because I'm an Instacart shopper, not right now. And they talk about how they dread going in there because there's so many people and it's always busy, and it was a lot of people, and it is very overwhelming because you're like, okay, what is the best thing to get in here? And some things are overpriced, not overpriced, some things are expensive, but I'm sure they're good quality items, and then some things are reasonable prices. And of course I had to pick up some preps and some produce, because you making a lot of noise. Okay, y'all, let's get started with this haul. I put some prices with it, and yeah, because I rode out with mama because she had to go to her job out that way and pick something up. She's working from home, and yeah, so it was something different. I spent $88, way too much. I could have got a lot more with $88 at Aldi, but sometimes you just want to go to the bougie grocery stores. And we have several: Publix, Harris Teeter, Lowe's Foods, bougie grocery stores. I don't know if I consider Lowe's Foods. Sometimes, I don't know. Okay, y'all. So I did text Michelle on Instagram. She's Pretty Mickey 46. Hey, Michelle. She follows a lot of YouTubers, and she supports a lot of YouTubers. And I messaged her and said, Mickey, what can you get? What is something you recommend in Wegmans? And one of the things was the cheese. I can't think of what else. It was the cheese, the honey ham and the turkey ham. So that's what I picked up: the honey roasted ham and the honey turkey breast. I also got the Cooper cheese. So she recommended that. You can also go over there to the deli counter and get them to cut it fresh. But I just went ahead and grabbed this. I did get some of this New York cheddar cheese. I wanted the Sharp, but they didn't have their brand in the Sharp. You had to get the other brands, and they were expensive, y'all. So I got this. I love to make like a little tray for myself. So like some deli meat, some grapes, some almonds, some olives, and I had these type of olives. I usually just get the black olives from Panera the other day in a salad, and they were so good. Now they're salty, drink your water, but these were good. So I always love the black olives, but I always wanted to try the different types, like the green olives and stuff. I got this too. This was like $11 and something. It was expensive, but I wanted to try it. The salami with the pepperoni, and I think it's Gouda, cheddar, and the grapes. Okay, y'all, so mama got my attention with the kombucha. I think this was like $2.49. It had a 50 cents, I think, instant savings or something, instant savings that came off, so it was only like $2. And I got the cranberry peach. And then we were on one of the aisles and we saw the pasta. And then we started looking at the canned goods and everything. So the Wegmans brand, Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano. I think this is like $2.49. And then the pizza sauce. I knew I need to put this in my preps. Let's see what this expiration date is. I don't see the expiration date. It's somewhere, I look for it. But I needed that in my preps. Some of the olives leaked on this. But this is the cream cheese with garden vegetables. And I wanted to, Mama picked up some, so I picked up some. And she had some bagels. And of course we have the seasoning, everything but the bagel seasoning. So she wanted to try it with that. So that's why she got the vegetables. So I wanted to try it too. There's noodles were only 79 cents. This box is a little smaller than, of course, the one at Aldi, but it's 16 ounces. This is a pound, and I got the Penne Noodles. I got 2 of those, so always thinking about preps as well. I picked up the spaghetti sauce. I only got 1. These were 99 cents. They look just like the plastic containers at Aldi. The tomato basil, the smooth marinara, and the Parmesan Romano. Then I have the olives here. Oh, I already said that. Okay, so I got some cut green beans. I only got 4 cans. They were 49 cents each, which I thought was a good price. And the whole sweet, whole cornel, crisp and sweet corn. I only got 2 cans of those. The fruit was really, canned fruit was really slim. So I only got 2 of the chunk pineapple, and I put the price. And then I got 3 of the sliced pears because I cannot find pears anywhere. And they still didn't have but maybe 1 option for peaches. So, yeah. Okay, so I did get some fish oil. And I saw this was only like $4 or something. And I got this for Jason. I also got it for myself too. So, it's good for, is this good, Jason, for lowering your blood pressure? Or something. What did it say? Or good for your heart or something. So we were over there because Mama needed some hydrocortisone.
It's good for your brain.
Oh, your brain. Yeah. I thought we had some, and we may have some, but I went ahead and picked up some more. And it probably does not expire here until 12/22. So I went ahead and got that. I got some grapes. I always try to keep grapes on hand. I needed some tomatoes. Didn't get none at Costco. Not Costco. Sam's. I got some watermelon. There was a digital coupon. This was a little high, $7.99, but it was a $2 off coupon, making it $5.99. I got some baby carrots. These were 99 cents. They're bananas. They didn't have great big bushes of bananas, but they were 59 cents a pound. I got some celery, because remember, guys, I said I wanted some celery to chop this up and put it in the freezer. Someone did ask me, does it freeze well? It does. The only thing is that when you're going to cook it, it may be a little bit watery. So just, yeah, maybe a little watery. So just watch that when you're cooking, depending on how much liquid you having to put like in the stuffing or something like that. Just watch that. But really, it cooks fine. Nothing to worry about. The spring mix, I went ahead and picked up some of this. The organic. I think Wegmans only carries organic. I'm not sure. They had so many options. And then the baby spinach. I got this as well to make in anything. Wraps, an omelet, or just to cook down to have. So that's it. My little small haul from Wegmans that costs a whole lot. But, you know, sometimes you want to experience something different, something new. And I did look around for the home stuff because I like to do parties and events and stuff at the house, little celebrations and stuff. And they didn't have anything marked down, but they did have some nice stuff to consider, like platters and stuff to pick up. They look great quality for the price. So it was just so many people in there. We probably overlooked it, but I'm not sure if this store is smaller than the one in Raleigh. I'm not sure. But yeah, because I didn't see any markdowns in the party stuff, but I probably missed it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.